Welcome back. It's 2023. If you're seeing this video, Happy New Year to you. All the best for 2023. Today I'll be doing a quick video on how I prepare Jamaican style Escoveich fish. This is my way. Here I have some carrots, some bell pepper, onions, hot pepper, and I'll be ready to make some Escoveich fish. I made a little flour mixture which included some cayenne pepper and black pepper, which will be used to coat my fish. These fish are so different from the Jamaican fish, so in order to get it crispy, I'll be lightly basting with flour, added some garlic and some pepper. Here I'm just lightly coating this before adding this to fry. Everyone does this different. I did not want my fish sticking in the pot, hence also using a little flour. Once my oil was ready, I added my fish in it, and you fry until you think it is done, not rare, but done well. I allow each side to fry for at least 2 to 3 minutes, also depending on the heat that you have this on. There is my fish, crispy, and I'll do the rest until they're all complete. Here I'm showing you how I'll be making my sauce. So some of the oil that I use, here I am tossing in my thyme, carrots, bell pepper, onion, hot pepper. I added half cup of white cane vinegar, I saute and I added a tablespoon of granulated sugar in this, a hint of black pepper, a little hint of garlic, and a little salt, because all I used to season the fishes was a little salt and black pepper. There are my fishes ready, and I will now drizzle my Escoveich mixture on top. I also added some pimento seeds, also known as spice. I add thyme to mine. I also added escallion to mine. I diced it small, and this is my way. You can have this with any food you choose. You can have this with bread, with a cooked meal. You can have this with rolls, festival. I had mine with some fried dumplings. This is up to you. I did this during the Christmas season. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for another video.